Dude, Scott, don't kill Taylor. Scott, don't kill Taylor. Watch out, Taylor. Scott's using his powers on you. He's using his magic. He's using his mouth. Dude, Scott just tried to kill you, Taylor. Scott just tried to kill you. Scott tried to kill Taylor.
I will kill Taylor tonight. What the hell?
Dude, what if it blows up again, dude? It's still firing, dude. It's still firing, man. Get away from it. Your foot gonna blow off. Scott just tried to kill you, Taylor. I told you Scott was using his magic. You hear me?
Did you get that?
I told you he was using his magic. It's like killed him.